Now, le choix de l'auxiliaire. The choice of the auxiliary. How do we know which verb has to go with auxiliary? Avoir or être. Now, avec avoir, with auxiliary avoir, tous les verbes, all the verbs, sauf, except, le verbe pronominaux, reflexive verbs, they do not go with avoir, they go with auxiliary, être. Les 15 verbes suivants, the following 15 verbs, go with auxiliary, être. Okay? We have le verbe aller, to go, arriver, to arrive, entrer, to enter, naître, to be born, monter, to go up, retourner, to return, rester, to stay, apparaître, to appear, tomber, to fall, venir, to come, partir, to go or to leave, sortir, to go out, mourir, to die, descendre, to go down, revenir, to come back. I'm going to repeat again. Aller, to go, arriver, to arrive, entrer, to enter, naître, to be born, monter, to go up, retourner, to return, rester, to stay, apparaître, to appear, tomber, to fall, venir, to come, partir, to go or to leave, sortir, to go out, mourir, to die, descendre, to descend, revenir, to come back. These 15 verbs go with auxiliary, être. Why? These 15 verbs express two things. Either is a change of place or a change of state. We use the verb auxiliary, être. Okay? Except from these 15